Phrasal verbs with off. Master the art of English language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting part of English grammar, phrasal verbs. More specifically, we're going to explore phrasal verbs with off. These are super common in everyday English, so mastering them will really boost your fluency. Let's kick off with a brief overview of what phrasal verbs are. A phrasal verb is a verb followed by a preposition or an adverb. As a pair, they create a meaning different from the original verb. It's like a 2-for-1 deal in the English language. In phrasal verbs, off typically suggests separation or reduction, but its meaning can change significantly depending on the context or the verb it's paired with. Let's delve into some examples to clarify. 1. Take off. This phrase can mean to remove something, often a piece of clothing, but it's also used to describe airplanes leaving the ground. For example, he took off his jacket because it was warm, and the plane is about to take off. 2. Kick off. This phrase can mean to start or initiate an event, like, the conference will kick off with a keynote speech. But in football, it means to start or resume play by kicking the ball. 3. Show off. This means to flaunt or display proudly. For instance, he's showing off his new car to his friends. 4. Pay off. This can mean to complete the payment of a debt. For example, it took her 10 years to pay off her student loans. It can also mean that an investment or effort has produced a good result, like, his hard work paid off when he got a promotion. 5. Put off. This means to delay or postpone something. For instance, he keeps putting off his homework. Now that we've learned about these phrasal verbs, it's time to practice. Create your own sentences using these phrasal verbs. Remember, practice makes perfect. That's it for our lesson on phrasal verbs with off. Remember, the key to mastering these is practice and usage in your daily conversations. The more you use them, the more naturally they will come to you. Thanks for joining me, and keep practicing. We hope this video has been helpful and we're looking forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!